students, this video will guide you how to open QTalk, how to use QTalk, how to log into QTalk, everything regarding QTalk. Okay. Now I am in the student.qspiders.com, my home page. Now I just have to click on the name of mine over here in the right hand top. Now I have to click on QTalk. It will directly navigate me to QTalk homepage. I don't even have to log in because I have already opened to student.qspiders. I don't really have to log in. Directly I am in the homepage, right? Now if this doesn't work, in that case, what you guys can do is you guys can just open any browser and you have to search for chat.qspiders.com. Just enter this and click. Now I am in the login page of QTalk. You have to use the same username and the same password that you used to log into student.qspiders website. I'll use the same username, same email ID I'm using. And same password. Just confirm the username and password and just click on login. Great. Now you're in the QTalk homepage. This is how the homepage looks like. In the left hand side, you can see the list of all the trainers, all the HRs, all the trackers, all the counselors that you have, communicated with, right? So let us say you want to talk to one particular trainer who is taking one particular batch. In that case, you just have to click on this filter icon, just click on it. Now you can just select which batch code, right? You want to see all the messages or all the notes that you got of this batch code, and just select this and click on apply filter. Then all the text messages related to that particular batch will be visible over here. And let me tell you, you can always talk to the trainer, the tracker, the HRs, everyone. You can just say, hi, I need help, and they will definitely get back to you, right? Now, apart of this, you can also check all the requirements that you have received. See, for example, this page shows you all the requirements, all the interviews that you have been added to the list of all of it, right? This is one such. There is all the details that is related to this particular requirement also. So this is where you guys can see all the requirements that you have been added to and the status of it, right? Now, next step, we have grooming. Now, grooming sessions will be conducted just before interviews to just, quickly brush up the concepts for you. So if any such grooming sessions you have attended, then all the details will be visible in this page. Then we have mock. Now here you can see whenever you give mock to any of the trainer, they give you the ratings, and what and all ratings you have received, everything will be visible in this page, right? Then we have status, which is just similar to WhatsApp status. If any trainers, counselors, trackers, if they put up any status, it will be visible in this page. We have something called as Spidey or a Next. Now this page consists of all the universal messages that you get, whether it is online, offline, all the students, whatever messages our management sends will be visible here, right? And if you have attended any interview, then you can give us the questions here. You can tell us what and all questions you got in what round, everything, so that it will be useful for us also, right? Then finally, if you crack the interview, if you get the job, then you can just click on got job and fill all the details. Lastly, we have something called as Test Freshers. Test Freshers is our own platform wherein students can take the quiz, the aptitude quiz, and different type of quizzes. They can see a lot of practice questions there, assignments there. All of that will be available there. So this is all about QTalk, guys. I hope it was helpful. Thank you.